Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of your kitchen drawer and shelf being a chaotic mess? Let's talk about the PVC non-slip mat, a game changer of organizing your space. This mat is designed with a unique non-slip surface that keeps your items securely in place, preventing them from sliding around every time you open a drawer. No more digging through cluttered to find what you need. It's perfect for utensils, spices, or even fragile dishes. One of the standout feature of this PVC mat is its versatility. You can use it not just to the kitchen, but also in bathroom, office, and even on shelf around the house. It's easy to cut to size, so you can customize it to fit any drawer and shelf perfectly. Durability is another key point too. Made from high quality PVC, this mat is resistant to moisture and stain. It's easy to clean, just wipe it down with a damp cloth and it looks as good as new. Plus, it's eco-friendly and safe for your home. Installation is a breeze. Just lay it down where you need it. No adhesive or complicated setup required. And when it comes to maintenance, simplify, lift it up occasionally to give it a quick clean underneath. So, if you are looking for an affordable and effective solution to keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free, the PVC non-slip mat is definitely worth considering. Say goodbye to mess and hello to more organized life. Trust me, once you try it, you will wonder how you ever lived without it. Ready to transform your space and grab one today and experience the difference. So guys, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Your support means a world to me, and every like, comment and share encourages me to keep creating content that resonate with you. I strive to bring you valuable insight, entertain and inspire in every video. Knowing that you take the time to engage with my content motivates me to push the boundaries and explore new ideas. It's your feedback that shapes the directions of this channel, so please keep it coming. I am committed to delivering high quality content that not only entertain but also inform, whether it's tips, tutorial and just a good laugh, and I am to improve something that add value to your day. And I appreciate all of you who have joined this journey with me. Your trust and engagement fuel my patience. If you have not already, make sure it that follow button so you don't miss out any video. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.